Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is just to make a very short announcement. If you notice, I didn't upload on Monday. That's because I was having a very tight schedule, and actually I was also planning on making an announcement so that my videos will not be uploaded on Mondays again, so it will now be on weekends, like on Friday evening. It will be uploaded every Friday evening because I see that my subscribers are always online on weekends. They are free from work, free from stress. They can have time to view my videos very well. So I have studied you guys very well, and I see that you are always for me on the weekends. You are free, so I'll be uploading for you guys on weekends so that you can view, you can have time for my videos. And I love you guys, oh, thank you very much. Even when I don't post, even when I don't send to you guys, even when I don't even send my link to you, you view it, showing me love. Even though it's not up to what I was expecting, at least I feel you guys love. I am so amazed. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I have you guys. And then we just crossed 200 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your subscriptions. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, because I cannot subscribe to my own channel. It's because of you guys that I have 200 subscribers, 200 plus. Thank you guys. I love you. What you'll be seeing after this video is a very short video of how I make charcoal dust. You can buy it in the market, but for me, I mostly improvise my material. So I improvise charcoal dust by grinding the normal charcoal that we use for cooking. you know the cooking charcoal that we use for making charcoal. What do we call it again? For charcoal cooking. So I grind it, I blend it well, and I make use of it in my drawing. I blend it out very well. I'll be showing you in the next video. See you there.